What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today's finally the day. We're going dual pulley on my XF. I got a crank pulley sitting right here, and we're gonna go ahead and install that today. As you guys can see, I still have the stock pulley. I've been having the stock pulley for a long time, so today's the day we're gonna go dual pulley. Already got the upper pulley. I got the grip tip upper pulley, and now all I need is just the crank pulley to be officially a dual pulley XF. Honestly, I'm so excited. I don't know what the car is gonna do. So we're gonna get that installed. It's pretty simple. For my car, I got a lot of room, as you can see. So basically what this is gonna do, this is gonna replace this pulley right here, and it's gonna be a lot larger, and it's gonna be spinning the supercharger pulley, which is this one, a lot faster. So the faster you spin this supercharger pulley, the faster you spin the supercharger, the more boost, and the more boost, the more power. I think you guys want to see that pulley first, and I don't blame you guys. Who wouldn't want to see this beautiful crank pulley? So let's get this opened. Haven't opened this yet. Here's the pulley. And here's the pulley. This was sent over to me by Alex from Alphajag Tuning. Really awesome guy. He does tuning for these cars. 3.0s, 4.2s, any Jaguar car you have, he'll tune it for you. Really good tunes. I'm actually running his tune in this car, and I've done really good quarter mile numbers, eighth mile numbers, 60 to 130s. It's actually the fastest Jaguar in the world, and it only has an upper pulley. As you can see, just an upper pulley, and it's already faster than the lighter F-types out there with the dual pulleys. So now it's time for me to go dual pulley, and we'll see what it's gonna do. Beautiful pulley, and in red. You can see Alphajag tuning right there and right there. I'm gonna measure this pulley, see how big it is, and then I'm gonna measure the stock pulley as well and see what the differences are. And yeah, this pulley looks beautiful. It's really light too. That's gonna help the engine spin easier as well. So can't wait to get this installed. I'll do a little cinematic for you guys, just so you guys can see the quality. If you have any questions, let me know. Hit up Alex at Alphajag Tuning for your pulleys. He can do custom pulleys as well, high flow intakes. If you have any question about these products, just hit him up. Alphajag Tuning on Instagram, Facebook. He's a really nice guy. He's been tuning a lot of these cars for a long time. I think he's the best tuner out there, honestly. Like I said, I got his tune running on my car, and I love it. It's been over a year and a half. I have over 1,000 runs on my draggy and never have any issues. All right, so we got the tensioner off, and we can pull the belt out. All right, so you're gonna need a T47. I'm just gonna do this off camera because it looks like those bolts are really tight, and it's gonna take me a little while. So once I have those off, then I'll show you guys the two pulleys side by side. I'm sorry guys, I lied. It's actually a T50. Okay, so a T50 you're gonna need to remove the crank pulley. Alright guys, so I got all the bolts off. So now should be able to pull the crank pulley. I think it's stuck in there. Let me get Let me get a screwdriver to see if I can. So I got the crank pulley off. All I used was a plier screwdriver and it came right off. And here's the stock pulley. Alright guys, so I'm holding both pulleys. I got the stock crank pulley on the right and upgraded pulley on the left. And as you can see, this one's a lot larger. So I'm guessing it's gonna give us another 2-3 pounds of boost more. We'll see once we do some data logging. I'm not gonna go do wide open throttles after I install this, and that's because I want to look at my AFRs first. I'm running a port injection system, so I don't know how this is gonna affect the fuel ratio. I'm also gonna do a video on the sound it's gonna make, because this does change the sound coming from the intake, and I think it's gonna be really loud. It's already really loud, so can't imagine what it's gonna do with this pulley. Alright guys, so I'm gonna weigh each pulley, see what the weight savings are. So the upgraded pulley is 1.9 pounds. Now let's see what the stock pulley weighs. Let's see, 2.6 pounds. So to me, that's really good. You got a bigger pulley for more boost, plus lighter, so it's a win-win. Alright guys, so now I got the measuring tape. I'm gonna measure each pulley and see how big that pulley is. So here's the stock pulley, 6.5. So 6.5 inches for the stock pulley. And here you got the upgraded pulley. And this one is about 7.3. 7.3. So about an inch bigger than the stock pulley. So we're gonna find out what that translates into power, boost. Alright guys, so got the crank pulley installed. As you can see, it looks really nice. So just like I thought, the belt was too short and all my other belts didn't work, so I had to reroute the belt on top of this pulley to be able to work, and seems like it worked. But there she is, it's done. I think that red color looks really nice. Officially dual pulley XF. Alright, so now I'm going to start the car, make sure everything's good, and let's enjoy that beautiful sound coming out of the supercharger. Here we go, first start with the dual pulley.
Thousand years later.
Kinda sounds like a Hellcat. Intake temperatures, it's 113. And right now it's hot. It's probably like around 92. So even with the dual pulleys, we're still getting good IATs, even with this terrible weather. the traction control is completely off. We're gonna try it just to see what it does. Alright, let's see. Ready, Jose?